All right, seems like it's there. It's happening. Okay, cool, it's working. All right, hello everyone. This is Kaustubh Mike, and today here we are to trade live Nifty and Bank Nifty options. If possible, if we get any chances in currency, we will trade. If not, we don't see any opportunities coming in right now in the currency, but I will definitely trade in Bank Nifty options. Right now, we have 42,000 put option at 317. Let me show you my order book. I had placed the order of 40,200 put option at 317 at approximately 10:55 a.m. Right now it is 11:33 happening. 11:33 it is, and then we have the markets coming up. The market seems a little bit to the downside. One, two, three, four signals have failed on my setup right now as of now. So if this does not break to the bottom side, definitely this signal may work out, or the next signal, whichever is coming, sell will definitely work out. So I am uh, more inclined towards that this trade should work out. All right. So we will see how it will go, and even if we look at the PCR in the option chain from Sensible in Zerodha, we can see that the PCR is 0.73, which is kind of a bullish. A lot of people, but still there are, yeah. So PCR is kind of bullish. The max pain is at 80,200. At the money, implied volatility would be at 16.98. It's shifting. Implied volatility percentage is 35. It was just 34. It went till 35, and we can see a lot of short sellers of the put options. So the markets tend to go upward, so it's kind of looking very bearish, so very bullish kind of market. So it is better if we do not take much risk, and then we'll just wait for this candle to be closed, and then we may see either a loss or a profit. We'll definitely book some other thing, or we'll book, or we'll exit mark to mark profit. All right, so we just shift this trade and try to end at 318. Well, let's make it at 18, and then yeah. So the candle is yet to close, and then we'll see how it is going to go. Yeah. So right now, it's trading at 41,925. It's better if we exit at 18. Cool. I have sent a request. Yep, that's it. We have exited our trade at 18 with just mark to mark profit, because it's kind of getting risky and the market is moving a little bit sideways. So if the candle closes below this, I may enter on a long side, sorry, the put side. I may re-enter that same trade. If it does not, if the candle goes and closes above this, which is 41,935, I may change my mind and then move towards this side. All right. So now, see, I exited this trade at 315. Right now, it's sitting at 14. So no matter what, it's going to be a little bit sideways. The same thing happened even in the last trade. I was waiting for approximately 40-45 minutes, and once the trade was over, it just boomed, went down the market, and we could not capture that day. The market was very volatile. I mean, it was very sideways on Friday. After that, we saw a great fall, and even on the Monday, the market opened a huge gap up, went down, took a strong support, and then it back up. All right. So we have right now Euro INR on our watch list. Let's see how it will be going. Looks a good buy for me too. Euro INR seems to be a little bit. So what? Let's see. So Euro INR open today is 82.200. While the low is at 82.1175. High created is 82.3375. Previous close is at 82.0150. Right now the volume is as at 53,000. Last trade quantity is 1, maybe change a while after this. Expiry is coming closer, which is we have approximately 20 days left for the expiry. There Nifty looks kind of a weak. Nifty, we can just look out if we can go and short one lot, or we can buy a put option over here. Let us go to overview, and then 18350. What's going to happen? Option chain. What does the option chain says about Nifty? 0.72, 18,200. Bank Nifty option chain. All right, 0.21, kind of bearish. It's 25 right now. Yeah, so I exited at 18. Right now it's trading at 325. The signals fail, signals coming in over here, so I think it's a good time to enter over here. We'll enter with approximately two lots at 520. I have placed an order. Let's see if it gets clicked. We'll get to know in a while. So right now it's trading at 23. We may see a confirmation coming over here. Let's wait, or let's run behind it. Run or enter, exit. I think we need to run. Cool. Let's give a try. Okay, it's going too high. See, I just exited a while ago, and then there we are. It's better we have lost this trade, and I feel like we better need to exit. I mean, cancel the trade. If there is anything, I'll let you know. I just it see, this is what happens sometimes. We just lose the trade. I told you that if the signal fails, the signal is definitely going to work. It's going closer to this, so I guess this can be a good buy with a little bit. It's going to be a little risky because I'm going to lose approximately 10 points, because it has already traveled so much. So it's better at 28 we take it. So 26 may go up again, but whatever it is, just explain you over this. Whatever it is, we'll have to face the consequences because we have to taken a risky trade. Taking a support over here again. Yeah, see, taking a support over here again and then jumping it back. Let's wait a little bit and watch. It was close to our target, which is 27. Now our target has moved back to 50. Now, yeah, now our target has moved back to 57. Yeah, that would be 57. That was a huge candle over here. Bank Nifty, are we in it? Yeah, we are in Bank Nifty itself. Good support touchdowns at the bottom. About it touches down the 200 moving day average. 200 day moving average was on the 1 minute candle is at 41,895. Touches down there, again moves up. So let's see what's gonna happen. We'll get to know in approximately 35 more minutes we have, and then we'll see how the things are going to work over here. 41,922, there it is. 41 923 923, kind of yeah, okay, so it gave two green red signals, two green huge candles. So this candle is going to decide what it may be. So 318 it is trading at right now. Yeah, so we can clearly see, if I draw one more trend line for you, um, at the top, body shouldn't be covered, only body should be covered in the trend lines, but I'm covering with the wick as well. For me it would be like this. Yeah, so the candle has to close above this in order to take my new stop loss, which is over this point. That would be 320. It is right now 320. 1 minute it is still buy at 320. Strong momentum will wait. We can wait easily up till 344 at the stop, and then it may move up until 400, we can say, for a little bit, but for the time being, but not in a long run. It's definitely going to the bottom side, because it's kind of look bearish for me. I know I'm a bearish side in Bank Nifty. Oh, holy crap, what just happened? Euro INR seems to be falling. Cool, 5 minutes, there a sell. 10 minutes, it's close. Okay, cool. So what are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? We are gonna short the Euro INR 5 lots at approximately, let's short at let us short Euro INR at 21 finals. Let's make it 21, 82, 21. First we'll start with the 20. Yeah, so that definitely was a bad decision from my side. I would not recommend anyone doing what I did just now, but yeah, that was kind of an emotional trade, I would say. But we missed it. I honestly agree with the point that the mistake has been happened, and I'm going to accept it. If my stop loss is being hit, it is not yet close to my stop loss, so I'll have to wait for it, and then we'll get to know what is exactly going to happen over here. 41,930, it is closer to our SL, and there we are. It's about to get take our SL, and then we'll get to know in a bit, and there we are. Boom. Uh, Kind of bit good. It would be good if we take an exit in the trade, and then accept our losses. But okay, cool. It has not yet failed, but we will definitely do something accordingly, and we'll wait for a while. Okay, so it is taking rejection over here. We can see a bigger wick coming in. So it's taking a rejection at the bottom as well. It has taken a huge rejection at approximately this candle, which is 41,600. And if we see it on a 3 minute time frame, what does it say? It's a long peak sideway market. 2 minute also says that it's a sideway market. Euro INR, we have placed an order at 81.21 for a short position. Alright, so looking at USD INR in 5 minute time frame, what does it say? I don't know, kind of feel that I have a strong feeling it may bounce back up again to 83, and got a strong feeling we need to go longer on this. But if we see it on a 3 minute, 30 minute time frame, it's too bottom, it's too narrow. We need to get in 10 lots, 5 lots. Let us change and then move. We'll see how much we can go. Yeah. So I think we can buy at 60. We can buy approximately 5 lots. Yeah, that can be fine. Let's go for 5 lots. Refresh. Yeah, there we are. Refreshing the system, and then cool. We have placed an order of 5 lots in shorting position in Euro INR, 5 lots long position in USD INR. Right now, our option, which is premium, is trading at 315. We'll get to know in a bit. Cool. Nifty is bullish. What? I'm just seeing a trend line at the bottom. So where does it look for me? See over here, and then this. It has been taken up. My stop loss would be 79. 79 was last seen in September. September, yeah. Right now it is trading at approximately, yeah, yeah. Right now it is trading at approximately September levels. October has been a little bit on the top side, and then I think bottoms over for it. Yeah, 81, 82. We would be seeing. Yeah, 82. We can see approximately a buy or a long signal. Let's see, we'll get it in a while. So all we have to do is wait. Cool, the thing seems to not be working. The trade signals fail, and then it is a good option that if we exit our trade, accept our mistake. So let's make it two lots. We are going to short it, sell it in the sense, and then 300 and let's make it 306. Yeah, 306. There we are. 306, it has been executed, and then we just closing our day in Bank Nifty, and then we'll just wait and watch how uh, and we are just gonna watch how the USD and Euro INR is going to go in a while, and then we'll get back on this. Alright, as we can see, our trade in USD INR, it's a long it's a long position at 40 sorry USD INR, yeah. So USD INR is long at 81.60000, and we have a good position, and our order has been executed recently, and I'm just going to show you my order book. Yeah, we can see it over here. 1153.58 nanoseconds USD INR November future, 5 lots at 81.60000. Yeah, so you can see over here it's moving to the lower side, not a problem. I am on a bigger time frame. My stop loss first would be at my stop loss is at 81.27 or first, yeah, 81.27 would be my stop loss, and my target would anywhere be between this 200 moving day average, which is 82.77. Yeah, that would be my target. So it's approximately 1.2 rupees it has to move. All right, so in Nifty, in Euro INR, my entry, my shorting would be at 82.22, while my stop loss would be at 82.35, and my target would be at 81.67, which would be approximately 1 is to 4 target to loss, or profit to loss ratio. Yeah, so let's see how it's gonna move. All right. So USD seems to be coming closer to our target a little bit. Then so Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are out of the game, and then that's it. So our entry in USD INR is into the November future is at 81.60000. Right now it is trading at 81.5950. Not much. It does not make much of a difference. It's a little bit very negligible. But yeah. All right. I think that's what it can be over here, and not much more than this. And it's better that we end our stream over here because kind of a sideways market. We may see any movement happening up around post 12:30 itself once the European market is open. All right. So well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. If you have watched this trade me, uh, well and good. If you have copied my trade, loss and profit is solely your responsibility, and I'm not the one who is going to be responsible for my loss. If I make loss, I am the one who is responsible. If I make the profit, I am the one who's going to enjoy the profit. All right.